Look, Samsung pushes a lot of updates in the background to prepare for One UI 5 watch, which includes your wearable app for the Galaxy Watch 4 and 5. What I did not realize yesterday is that not only did we receive the Galaxy Watch 6 watch faces, we also have some significant updates for older watch faces, which is pretty cool, and those have been featured exclusively on Samsung's marketing material for the Galaxy Watch 6. After trying them out, I really like them. One word of caution though, Samsung is known to fragment their updates, meaning you may or may not receive it on the same day or week as others do. Another problem you may face is when you do not have a Samsung phone. Please don't shoot the messenger here. What I need you to do, please let me know in the comment section below right now which version of the Galaxy Watch you have. Is it a 4 or 5? Did you receive the update? Yes or no? And if possible, where you are located in the world, and do you have a Samsung phone or not? This will really help us, and by us I mean our community, to understand if there are any implications during the update phase. While you are here, why not consider joining us by simply hitting that subscribe button below, and my personal request to you is why not like the video as well. Thank you so much. You can see right here, all new Galaxy Watch 6 watch faces have been included in the latest update. If you did not receive it yet, please go back into your wearable app and locate the small red dot / icon next to your older watch faces. As you can see right here, press update and you are good to go for now. Pro Analog and Info Board, these are the ones that have been updated. To me, the best update is by far the Info Board. Once you select this watch face, you have many options to customize it, just like with any other watch face. But you even have a dedicated sleep coaching face included if you basically fancy that. But my favorite one of them all is the workout selection for the Info Board. And that is the one that has been featured on Samsung's marketing material for the Galaxy Watch 6. This selection will automatically display your last workout, and when you tap on it and go into more details, you will see your statistics for your last workout at a glance, which basically can be further enhanced by going to your corresponding phone in Samsung Health when you press continue on phone. You can also quickly adjust the settings, as well as many juicy color combinations. I basically just love it. With this update, there is so much more for you to explore. I sincerely hope I earned your subscription today. Thank you for watching, and please consider subscribing. Peace out.